Security company. Did the police come to your
No.
store?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. It's Mark Humes from the security company. Did the police come to your store?
Yeah.
They did. Are they still there?
No. They left.
They left.
They left.
What did you tell them?
Huh?
What'd you say to them?
I just tell them, like, about you. You call me and this and
And what'd they say?
they say, oh, okay. That's
All
it.
right.
Then they left.
All right. Now listen. Do you have a computer at your 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
You have a computer.
Yeah.
All right. Now I want you to go into the back of the computer, and there you'll see a blue wire.
1 second. Hold on.
All right. I'm gonna get him to cut the wire.
Yes. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, you say the blue wire?
Yeah, it's blue.
The blue wire? I don't see any blue wire over here.
Is it yellow then? Is there a yellow one?
Yellow one. In the router or what?
Alright, no, there should be a blue, it's either blue or black. Do you see it?
What is it? Like CBT or something like that?
Yeah, that one.
The CBT one.
Yeah. The one,
Yeah.
the one that your internet connects to. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, the internet one?
Yeah, the internet
Yeah.
one.
What do you
Yeah.
want me to do with that?
Alright, do you see where it is?
1 second. Hold on. Oh, yeah, we have too many wires. I don't know which one you're talking about.
The one that's the internet one.
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Yeah, Durka Durka.
But what do you want to do with the wire?
The internet one. It should be, it's normally white, or do you see a white wire?
The white wire?
Yeah.
Well, they did a whole
Laka
networking,
laka.
so
What?
over here they did a whole networking. We have a whole networking over here, so there's a lot
It
of
should be
wires for
gray.
internet.
It's connected to the phone line. It's gray.
The gray one, yeah, I see it over here. We have
Alright.
one.
Now now listen very carefully. Do you have scissors or a razor blade or something?
The blade?
Yeah, like a blade, something that's sharp. Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? Listen. What do you want me to do? To cut the wire or something like that?
No, don't cut the wire completely. Just slice it, and then you're gonna see the wires inside of it.
Yeah, listen, but I can't do right now because the store is busy. So if you call in the daytime, it's okay.
No, you
I
can
can't
do it right now. It's very important, or your store will probably be broken into, and people can steal stuff.
No, but I can't do right now.
You can
And
do it.
yeah, I can't do right now because the owner is not here. When he coming, so I'm gonna ask him. Uh, then I'm gonna do it.
No,
If you
no,
want the
trust
owner
me,
number,
sir.
if you want the owner number, so I can give you the owner number. You can call him
Oh,
and talk to
it's
him.
either you do it now or never. Your security. We're not gonna keep supporting your security. You're gonna need to find a new security system. By the time that happens, your store's probably gonna get broken into.
Yeah, but I can't do nothing because the owner is not here.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't do nothing. You want me to give it to your owner number?
No, just your store, it's at risk. Can you please just do what I'm saying?
What?
Can you please just do what you're saying? I'll talk to your manager tomorrow. Just do what I'm saying, please.
No, but I can't do.
No, you can do it. I understand. You can. I'll talk to your manager tomorrow.
I cannot do this.
Yes.
If you want to, I'm gonna give you his number.
No, you're perfectly fine. It's possible. Trust me.
No, but I'm not gonna do.
You know anybody in the store that speaks perfect English?
Yeah, but I can't do. I'm telling you, bro.
Well, you're telling me.
You want his
Right?
number?
Why not? Please, you can.
No, I can't do.
Then can
If
you?
you want his number, I can give you his number, bro.
No,
Otherwise, no.
I don't want nobody's number. I don't want to do anything with that. I just
So why you want?
just simply cut open the wire.
No, bro.
You have to.
No.
Your store's gonna get hacked.
My store's gonna get hacked?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yo, there's gonna be a ton of malware and Trojans.
Where are you calling from? Give me your number.
I'm calling for 4chan.
You're calling from the security, yeah? Company, yeah?
Yeah.
Give me a number.
1-800-1
Yeah.
666
Yeah.
696
Yep.
1337.
1337.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Yeah, but no, sir, listen, I'll talk to your supervisor tomorrow. I promise, just sit.
Yeah, but I'm gonna check this number first.
What do you mean check this number? What is there to check?
Like I'm not sure where you calling from.
You're not sure where I'm really calling from, sir.
No.
Calling from
I'm gonna
4chan.
call you back. I'm gonna give it to my owner. Your number, he gonna call you, then.
No, that's not gonna happen. Your store's gonna be at risk.
Huh?
Your store's gonna be at risk. There's gonna be people coming in with pedo bear outfits and afros, and they're gonna rob you.
No, nobody gonna rob me. Why are they gonna rob me?
Because they're pedo bears.
Okay, talk to my owner, alright?
No, I'm not gonna talk to nobody, sir.
I'm gonna give him his number, your number, alright?
You're gonna hear them, and when they're leaving, they're gonna make fat noises.